By the end of this section, we should be able to make a responsive navigation bar with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's get started. .nav URL li. I'll duplicate this. We have this. Let's minimize this page. Let's start this. Targeting the navbar. .nav. Let's give it text align, center, background color, white, box shadow, 0 pixels, 2 pixels, 12 pixels, blue. I want to remove this list marker, so we are going to target URL. This style type, none, is gone. Now I'm going to remove this margin. See the default margin around. Then we also have default padding, so we are going to remove it using the versa selector. We have margin 0, padding 0. You see, they are gone. Then we also remove the box sizing, border box. We also add box sizing, border box. Targeting the li, we want to make them to be on the same line. We give them display inline, so they are on the same line now. On this navbar, let's give it padding of 20 pixels. On li, let's give li padding of 10 pixels. Margin left of 10 pixels. We want to remove the underline now, so URL li anchor tag, that's A. So you say text decoration, none, color, blue. We're going to give this anchor tag transition 0.5 seconds. Good. So hovering effect now. Want to hover, want to be able to change the background color once we hover. So URL is hover. Background color, want the background color to be orchid on hover. Now let's give it padding of 10 pixels. Padding 10 pixels. Good. So this is what we have. If you take closer look, you see that on hover the nav links are shaking, which is not nice. So I added padding here, not here. The padding not supposed to be on hover. The padding is supposed to be on anchor tag itself. So I'll just add it here. Padding 10 pixels. It's not on hover. So you have this. The next thing we're going to be doing now is to add icon. So we're going to copy the link from Font Awesome Icon CDN. First of all, you get the CDN. So you just type Font Awesome CDN. We have numerous ways to add fonts on our page, but this is what we are going to be using now. Now what we are going to do, once you get to this page, copy this link. Copy link tag. Coming on the header, on the head, I'll paste the link here. Then we are going to be adding icons. So inside this place, inside this navigation bar, we are going to be adding this icon far bars. Good. Now inside URL, we are going to be adding far times. We just added these two icons. What do you want to do? When we open this on smaller screen size, this navigation bar should disappear. Then we should be able to click on this bar for the navbar to come out. So let's do that now. So coming on this place, I'm going to give this bars. Then I'll give it on click, open nav. Here I'll add on click, close nav. Coming to URL, I'll give it ID of URL. Now let's head on to the script. Now let's target URL. So let's URL equals to document dot get element by ID. URL Before we continue with this step, let's hide this navigation bar. So for smaller screen size, what you're going to do now is at media screen maximum width 600 pixels. So this is for width that are 600 pixels and below 600 pixels. So for such width, we want the URL to be width, say 20%, height 100%, background color orchid. So let's open this and inspect. So come here and right click, inspect, toggle device size. Okay, so this is what we have. You can see on smaller screen size the background color has changed. So let's bring it up again. Let's refresh. Okay, so minimizing, we have this. Maximize, we have this. You can see on smaller screen size, this is for smaller screen size, the width, the height, and next thing you're going to do is we are going to give it position fixed. So you have it this way, but we want it to be at the right side. So we're going to just say right 0. It comes to the right side. And once we maximize, it's gone. Minimize again, we have it at the right side, top 0. We have it like this. Now what you want to do now is you want to be able to see this navigation bar only when you click on this bar icon, right? So here I'm going to hide it. To achieve this, we are going to give right minus 200 pixels. We have this. So you can see we can't find it anymore. Now what I want to do is once we click on this bar, we want it to come out. Now remember, going to the bars, we gave it on click event. On click, open nav, coming down to the script. So I'll create a function here, function, open nav. So I have this. So what I want to do is when I click on it, on the bar, this should come out. Now let's see that this bar is working. Console.log hello. So I'll come here, let's maximize, right click, let's inspect. So this is our console. When we click on this, you see hello is coming out, right? So well, we want when we click on it, we want the URL to come out. So what we're going to do is this URL I have there, we're going to take it. So URL dot style dot right equals to 0 pixels. So when we click on it, it comes out, right? Now next I want to do is when we click on it and it comes out, let me refresh. When we click on it and the URL comes out, we want it to be hidden, want it to be gone, right? Remember, on these bars we gave it ID bars. So we're going to target this ID now. Let bars equals to document get element by ID bars. Good. So what we want to do is bars dot display. Bars dot style dot display equals to none. Okay, so let's try it out. Let's refresh. So now click on this comes out and the bars are gone. So on bigger screen we have this, on smaller screen we have this. Refresh, click, it comes out. Now what we want to do now is when we click on this one, we should be able to hide this, to remove this. So what we're going to do now, coming back to this place, cancel, that's times. I have close nav. I'll take close nav, the function. So when we click on close nav, we want the URL to be gone. So close nav. So similar to what we did here. So URL dot style dot right equals to initial value it had before. So now we click on this, it comes out. We click on this, it's gone, right? So but once when we click on it, it's gone. We want the bars to come out so that we can easily toggle. So coming back, we are going to say bars dot style dot display block. So let's refresh. So click on this, we have this. Click on this, it comes out. Now, so this is responsive navigation bar. Let's style the list so that they won't be on top, they won't be close to each other. So now you see these elements are joined together. They are so close. And because we gave it with 20%, they all appear on different lines as if they are block elements. They are not really block elements. So if I come here and say URL li or margin bottom 15 pixels, let's see, padding bottom or padding top, they are still close together. We gave this list display inline, not block. We gave it display inline. So they are still actually inline. So coming here, it's because we reduce the width. That's why it appears as if they are not inline. 80%. I'll click. You see what we have? Inline. All of them are still inline. So what we're going to do now is we are going to go back to where we were. 30% width. Good. So this is what we have now. But then we're going to change the display. So coming to list, we're going to give it display block. So you see, it's the margin bottom and padding we gave it has affected it now, right? So we gave anchor tag hovering effect. Why is not appearing? Okay, the hovering effect is the same background color as the background color of this one. What I mean is this, big screen. On big screen we have this. So what I'm going to do now is on hover for smaller screen size. Background color should be light blue. So URL LIA. So on hover, background color light blue. So coming here on hover, you see what we have, right? Color black, color black. Good. We want to target this cancel button. So coming here, we give it far times. So is a class. We target the class dot dot far times. So we need to give it color orchid but darker shade. So I have this. Coming back, let's see. Okay, we have this. Now we need to push it to this side. So coming, you're gonna give it position absolute. Position absolute. Say right 2 pixels. Top 2 pixels. So you come here. So you see where it is now. Now coming to this one, we need this one to be at the edge as well. So okay, since two of them have the same class, let's give them just fast, right? Good, because two of them are the same class. They have this same class fast before the different one, this fast and part time. So since we have this now, it seems it's working the way we want it to be, right? Good. What else is remaining? Now on larger screen size, see that this one is showing. Because we want these two to be hidden, we are going to target them on larger screen size. So we're going to say dot fast display none, right? Display none. So they have disappeared, they are gone. But on smaller screen, see that we can't even see this icon here. You can't see this icon. So what we're going to do is we go to smaller screen and target them, the two of them here. We say display block, right? So we have this. Good. So we've been able to create responsive navigation bar. Light screen, let's refresh. Good. So this is light screen, then smaller screen, minimize to get the smaller screen size. So this is it.